Okay, so I apologize that we did not go over this in class the other day. I didn't realize it until I got several questions about these 13 through 20 yesterday. So to go from this trig form back to our complex form, all you're going to do is find these values on your unit circle. So like the cosine of 30 is square root of 3 over 2, and the sine of 30 is 1/2. And then you're going to just distribute your 5 through. So you will get 5 square root of 3 over 2 plus um, 5 over 2i. So all you do is use your unit circle if you can. If you have a value that's not going to be found in your unit circle, just go ahead and plug it into a calculator. Then get those two values and distribute through, and then that is going to give you your answer in your complex format. So go ahead and use this to finish up 13 through 20 and make sure you get those posted on LMS today.